Hello everyone, today I'm excited to show you a unique way to create lightweight concrete flower pots with a sturdy base. Here's what you'll need: some strained concrete mix, a solution of water and glue, and a mold for shaping the pot. The key of this method is creating a thin, well-reinforced layer of concrete that's both strong and lightweight. To start, I'll mix white glue with water, then soak the string in this mixture so I can rub it around my mold. Now, if you prefer a quicker method, you can replace the glue and water mix with a liquid concrete mixture. Just soak the string in it and drop it around the mold directly. It's a great option for a faster process, but I know myself. If I go straight away concrete, it ends up everywhere, and I prefer a bit more control. So I'll stick to gluing the string to the mold first, then applying a thin layer of concrete mix on top. For those looking to speed up their roping, a thicker string would work even better, but I like being resourceful and I happen to have different types of string at home that have been unused for years, so I'm going with what I have on hand. Once my mold is fully wrapped in string, I'll apply a thin layer of concrete over it and let it dry for 24 hours. After it's fully dried, I carefully remove the pot from the mold. Mine was quite snug, so removing took a bit of effort, and I'll need to smooth out some of the edges. To prevent this, try adding extra plastic rope over the mold first to make removing the pot easier. The final step is refining the pot's interior and let it set for another 6 and 8 hours. And then it's ready for decorating. I made 4 pots using this technique, and they turned out incredibly light, perfect for hanging. For decoration, I like to keep it creative and random. You can get as imaginative as you want, but I love the aged look, so I only applied bright pigments to select areas instead of covering the entire pot. And check out the final result.